The Axolotl by Wesley Waddell. The axolotl, also known as the Mexican salamander, is a rare neotenic salamander. Being neotenic means that the axolotl stays in the larval phase of a salamander its entire life and does not undergo metamorphosis in order to obtain lungs. This is considered a backward step in evolution, since the axolotl's ancestors were land salamanders, but now it can only live in water. The axolotl can undergo metamorphosis if it is given hormones artificially, and rarely it will do it on its own. The axolotl is found in the now polluted Lake Xochimilco around Mexico City, but is nearly extinct in the wild, and a 2013 study found no axolotls after 3 months of searching. Lake Xochimilco is now full of canals, and another lake the axolotl used to live in does not even exist anymore. Axolotls are amphibians, but would be better called unifibians since they only live in water. They are closely related to the tiger salamander, and the name axolotl comes from the Aztec language, with atl meaning water and solotl meaning monster. Axolotls typically are fully mature at 1.5 to 2 years and are 7 to 14 inches long, about the length of your hand span. Axolotls are carnivores and eat worms, insects, and small fish. Axolotls have wide heads and eyes without lids. The external gills on the axolotl make it look like it's wearing a headdress. These distinct features set the axolotl apart from other animals. It's also got a pretty nice smile, too. Axolotls in the wild are brown with speckles. People in captivity have bred axolotls to be leucistic, pale pink with black eyes, albino, gold with golden eyes, axanthic, gray with black eyes, and melanoid, all black without speckling. Interestingly, axolotls are 1,000 times more cancer resistant than mammals. Axolotls are highly used in laboratories for their incredible regeneration ability. British scientist Stephen Roy concisely describes this superpower, saying, quote, "You can cut the spinal cord, crush it, remove a segment, and it will regenerate. You can cut the limbs at any level, the wrist, the elbow, the upper arm, and it will regenerate, and it's perfect," end quote. Axolotls can regenerate limbs as many times as needed. How does this work, you might ask? The cells at the site of the injury lose their characteristics. They de-differentiate and become pluripotent. With this in mind, the axolotl is essentially a super animal. I hope you'll learn a thing or two about my favorite animal, the axolotl.